Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You must get explicit permission before changing screen time. Do not attempt to bypass passwords. Begin by telling the device owner what you need and why, then confirm the Apple or Google account email and device model so you know which path to take. Once done, open Settings and go to Screen Time or Family Sharing. These are the legitimate entry points. Make sure to note any active screen time passcode instructions so the owner can remove or change it for you. If the owner cannot enter the passcode, follow official account recovery procedures rather than trying workarounds. Ask the owner to sign into their Apple ID or Google account and use the built-in recovery options. These verify identity with email, phone, or security questions. Once identity is proven, the owner can remove screen time or change restrictions. If recovery options don't work, contact Apple or Google support and request guided help. They can verify ownership and perform account-level fixes. After the owner disables screen time, review settings and reboot so changes fully apply. If you still see restrictions, avoid unsanctioned hacks. Factory reset requires the account credentials to reactivate, so only perform it with the owner present. If problems persist, collect proof of ownership, purchase receipts or account emails, and escalate to official support. This speeds verification. Troubleshooting tip: if account recovery stalls, ask.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.